Good morning, children. So we are going to learn a 7th class lesson, measurement of physical quantities. In that, we learn about standard measurements. In standard measurements, we learn about MKS system and CGS system of measurement. So in MKS, the unit that is of unit of mass is kilogram, we learn. Unit of distance is meter, we learn. Unit of time is in second. And in CGS system, unit of mass is gram. Distance unit is a centimeter and time is in second. So we learn in our last video. Now, and also we learn about fundamental quantities and international system of units. So what is meant by the international system of units? So an international system of units based on 7 fundamental units called the system international, means the SI unit. So is currently used all over the world. The people use these SI units all over the world. It is also called the metric system. The names of symbols of units of the fundamental quantities, that is length, time, and mass in this system. For length, the name of unit is meter. So we denote in small m. Then kilogram, we denote in kg. And second in S. Okay, so see that in SI system. So all over the world, the people use these symbols of the unit. Meter, so M, okay, kilogram is kg. Then second, small s. So these units, these symbols were used. Symbols are used all over the people in the world. So that is the SI units or SI system. Okay, children. So then we are going to learn today importance of accurate measurement. What is mean by why the accurate measurement is important? You know, when we buy from anything from a market like fruits, vegetables, what the shopkeeper do? It use its balance to measure these things. So we want accurate measurement. हमें 1 kg of potato if we bring from market, so its weight should be 1 kg. Accuracy should be there. अगर हमें हम लोग पैसे तो उतने 1 kg के देते हैं, अगर उसने हमें ½ kg दिया तो so how accurate the measurement must be depends upon its purpose. So accuracy should be there. अगर हमें कोई cheat करता है, it prevent the cheating. So accuracy is very much important in weight. So accordingly, an appropriate device has to be used for the measurement. सबके लिए एक तो टेम्परेचर को मेजर करने के लिए हमारे पास होता है thermometer we use. So we take the accurate body temperature with the help of thermometer. Also for goldsmith, जो gold होता है, so उसके पास भी weighing machine होती है electric. It also gives us accurate weight of that gold. Also with the help of watch we can get accurate time. We measure the accurate time. So importance of accurate measurement. Accuracy is very much important. Measurement of substances that are precious, okay, for great importance and used in very small quantities. So it's done meticulously and accurately. It should be accurate and proper. So due to advancements in technology, devices that measure very small magnitudes of quantities like distance, mass, time, and temperature, so are available now. For example, distance and time in connection with very important in sports competition. If you have seen in the Olympics now, जहाँ पे सारे देश के लोग ओलंपिक्स आपने देखा होगा, उसमें एक्यूरेसी इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि इतने सेकंड का भी फर्क उसके लिए फर्स्ट रैंक मिलने के लिए, गोल्ड मेडल मिलने के लिए 1.1 सेकेंड भी इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. सो एक्यूरेसी इज वेरी मच important in a games and sports, that is time and temperature. If you have, we are going to use now digital thermometers that gives a accurate body temperature. अगर body temperature अगर कम ज्यादा होता तो हमें medicine लेने के लिए भी it is very much important. So accuracy is very much important. Then mass of gold, अगर हम gold is a precious metal, it is very costly. अगर हमें कोई कम ज्यादा देता है, कम देता है तो हम चीट कर सकते हैं कोई भी. इसीलिए accuracy to measure the gold, mass of gold to measure is very much important. Okay, so body temperature as I told you earlier. So accuracy in measurement is very much important. But major causes of errors in measurement, sometimes what happen, some major causes of errors are also important. Okay children, major causes of errors in measurement, some of the major causes are important. First reason is not using the appropriate device. For if your device is not proper, if some fault is in your device, so it gives an error in measurement. अगर आपका device ठीक नहीं होगा, उसमें कुछ fault होगा, problem होगा, so it shows error in measurement. अगर take an example, the weighing machine, we go in a vegetable market, अगर उसका जो काटा है तराजू है, it is not, the balance is not proper, so it gives error in measurement. अगर आपके बॉडी का वेट है, आप वेइंग मशीन पे वेट आपका मेजर कर रहे हैं, तो क्या होगा, if that जो पॉइंट है it is not on the zero, it does not give a proper measurement of your body. So it should be, it is very much important your device is in good condition, device shows the appropriate device. Okay, so you will get the appropriate reading from that device. Then not using the device properly, you should know how to handle the device. Okay, so if you are not using the device properly, it does not give you the proper measurement. So some errors can cause in the measurement. Then, so these are the two major causes of errors in measurement. One is not using the appropriate device, and then not using the device properly. Okay, so make a list of possible errors other than these. Do you really get as many liters of petrol as the petrol pump? So this is a question. To ensure this, it is necessary to check it against the standard measure from time to time. So this is called standardization. Okay. So similarly, it is necessary to standardize the weights and measure used in a मार्केट. अगर आप पेट्रोल पंप पे गए पेट्रोल भरने के लिए, अगर वहां पे उसने जीरो ही एडजस्ट नहीं किया, तो आपको जितना आप पैसे देते उतने पैसे का आपको पेट्रोल नहीं मिल पाएगा, तो सरासर चीटिंग हो सकती है. सो इट शुड बी वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन weight or standardize the weight and measure used in a market. While buying the things, okay, at grocery shop, the vegetable market, remember to look out for the following and tell you. Okay, so when you go in a market for buying the grocery, vegetable, fruits, anything, so you should be always careful while buying the things. The measurement should be proper, measurement should be correctly measured. So does the balance carry the stamp of standardization? So by the government has stamp on that weights, that is the standardization stamp by the Department of Weights and Measures. So you should check before buying these things. Then is the balance is stable, so you should check the balance also. Market में आपने देखना चाहिए कि balance आपका stable है कि नहीं है. Your that point should be in a center. Then is a pointer of the balance is upright, so you should check before buying the things. So these precautions you have to take. Then is the weight made of metal. Sometimes what happen, वो जो दुकानदार लोग हैं आपको चीट करने के लिए मेटल का वेट नहीं यूज करके, मेटल वेट इज हेवी, है ना. सो यू शुड चेक द वेट ऑल्सो. और आपको 1 kg लेना है तो 1 kg का ही वेट वो रख रहा है कि हाफ kg का रख रहा है. यू शुड चेक बिफोर बाइंग दिस थिंग्स. So how is the balance held, that you should be checked. Then has the underside of a pan of a balance be tampered with? So this should be checked to prevent consumers. One thing, a very important thing, to prevent consumers from being cheated. Weights and measures subdivision functions as a part of the food urban supply and consumer protection division of the government. It's a branch of government to prevent consumer from being cheated. So this branch helps. Officers of this subdivision visit different places from time to time and ascertain whether the weight and balances being used are proper or not. इसलिए गवर्नमेंट के जो people है, that protection division of the government, that visits shop to shop and check its balance every time to prevent the consumers from being cheated. Okay. So it is binding by law to use standard weights and measurements. It is also a function of the weights and measures subdivision to grant license for the production, sales and repairs of weights and measures. है ना, लोगों को लोग फंसाते हैं, इसलिए the government should check this, their license of production, sales and repair of weights and measures. ये सब checking होती रहती है. So during the rainy season, you might have heard, seen, it's another thing. Do you know? So during the rainy season, what happened? You might have heard, seen and read news regarding to how much water is collecting in the dam. सब न्यूज़पेपर में दिखाते या फिर न्यूज़ में भी दिखाते कि इतना कलेक्ट हुआ है पानी डैम में, डैम अभी ओवरफ्लो हो रहे है ना. So how much water is being released and about the present stock of water in the dam? Do you know how? The following terms in this connection. TMC means 1000 million cubic feet. 1 TMC means 1000 million cubic feet. So 1 cubic foot means 28.317 liters of water. So that उतना पानी छोड़ते उतना पानी डैम में आता है. So that you should know 1 cubic foot means 28.317 liters. Okay. So this is about importance of accurate measurement. Then in this lesson, we learn some measurement of physical quantities. There are physical quantities. Physical quantities means a quantity such as mass, weight, distance, speed, temperature, volume are physical quantities, and that quantities that can be measured are called physical quantities. Okay. So some examples of physical quantities, that is mass, weight, then distance, speed, temperature, volume are called physical quantities. Okay, that we learn in this lesson. Also we learn there are two types of physical quantity. One is a scalar quantity and vector quantity. Okay children. So scalar quantity means a quantity that can be completely expressed by its magnitude alone. That means a value with unit is expressed to express quantities. So like length, breadth, area, mass, temperature, density, time, work. So these are some scalar quantities. And vector quantities means the displacement and velocity are vector quantities. Examples of vector quantity. Okay, children. So mass is a scalar quantity. Then weight is a vector quantity. Mass is scalar quantity. Weight is a vector quantity. Also, we learn in this lesson that is standardized measurement. So standard measurement are required for measuring things. Such measurements are called standard units of measurement. That is the SI units of measurement. Okay. So SI unit, that is in MKS system and CGS system. So MKS system, mass measurement is a MKS is in kilogram, then distance in meter, and speed, and time is in second in MKS system. In CGS system, mass is in gram, then distance is in centimeter, and time is in second. Okay, children. So now we learn the fundamental quantities, then international system of units, that is metric system, also an international system of units based on 7 fundamental units called the system international, that is the SI unit. So the SI unit of meter denoted by small m, kilogram, that is in kg, and second in S. So this we learn. Also we learn importance of accurate measurement. So importance of accurate measurement is that accurate measurement must be depends upon its purpose. Accordingly, an appropriate device has to be used for the measurement. Okay, your device should be accurate to measure causes of errors in measurements. So if your device is not appropriate and not using the device properly, these are the some major causes of errors or in measurements. Okay, so this is the lesson. Then so here, to prevent consumers from being cheated, a weight and measures division functions as a part of food, urban supply and consumer protection division of the government, that we learn in this lesson. Okay, children. So next video we will write question answers of same topic. Bye everyone.